Welcome to Affiliate Zone. We always strive to find you the best quality products at affordable prices. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell button next to it to get regular updates. Please check the description box for product link. Number 1. Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener. The last electric can opener you'll need. The Kitchen Mama Automatic Can Opener is the best hands-free can opening solution for you. 4A batteries make it work like a charm. Batteries not included. Easy operation. 2 taps to open any cans with our electric can opener. Push the button to turn it on. It cuts cans 360 degrees along the lid. Push the button again to stop. Easy. Safety design. The blade cuts along the side of the lid without touching the food inside. Leave no sharp cuts. Super safe. User-friendly, ergonomic design. A great help for people with challenges gripping, best friend for elderly suffering from arthritis problem. Enjoy the best cooking experience. Your hands deserve to be treated like royalty. No effort, no injury, save your energy, save time. Number 2. Amazon Basics Electric Can Opener. Electric can opener for opening standard-sized cans. Powerful stainless steel blade smoothly and safely opens cans with no snagging. Automatic stop, on/off, and release/locking mechanisms. Wide, non-slip base keeps the opener in place on your countertop. Magnetic lid holder prevents lid from dropping into the can. Modern, compact design with durable plastic housing. Number 3. Spider Grip Can Opener. No trouble lid lift can opener with powerful magnet can capture the lid and keep it from falling into the can so that you won't touch the food or get your fingers dirty. Just using the magnet to attract the lid when you almost finish cutting the edge of can, no dropping lid or shaving metal will contaminate your food. Big turning knob and rotund handles. Ergonomically curved turning knob turns smoothly when cutting through the edge. Soft rotund handles and the anti-slip surface make a comfortable grip. The manual can opener with effort-saving design is good for women and seniors with arthritis. Safe can opener and easy to operate. The can opener is very sturdy and will not rust. The sharp blade provides a smooth cut. Clamping the can edge with blade and gear, remember to adjust the lower magnet block to closely cling to the outer side of the can, then puncturing the lid with a little press on the handles, turning the big knob clockwise. You can see the can lid be cut smoothly without metal shavings. Very easy to use, even a child can do. Compact design with multi-purpose. A must-have kitchen gadget. This fine can opener is very practical. You can use it as the can/bottle/tin/beer opener. The magnet design helps you elegantly open the can and won't dirt your fingers. Compact size won't take up your space. Wash thoroughly under running water and then hanging dry on the hook or attract to the refrigerator. Your satisfaction is our top concern. Customer satisfaction is always our greatest pursuit. Any questions, issues, we will help you with the best solution. Number 4. Kitchen Mama Want2Go Electric Can Opener. One-touch operation with auto shut-off, effortlessly open any size can with Want2Go Auto Stop Electric Can Opener. Shuts off automatically once the job is done. Freeing your hands for other kitchen chores, saving you time and energy. No more cut fingers. The patented tilted blade detects any can shape and leaves smooth edges. The exclusive cut protection feature offers added safety by turning the can opener off, in case of accidental cuts. The streamlined shape makes the can opening process handier. The magnet-attached battery compartment makes changing new batteries easily on the go. Batteries are not included. This can opener's side cut feature keeps the food inside the can clean. The blade cuts cans along the side of the lid so it doesn't touch the food inside. The built-in lid remover offers extra help, allows for touch-free lid removal. Kitchen Mama is moving toward all-paper packaging. The Want2Go electric can openers are packaged in easy-to-recycle paper. Yes, you can make can opening process easier. Yes, we can make the world better. Number 5. Electric Can Opener. The electric can opener can open all cans except rim or odd corner cans. When the diameter of the can is greater than 90 mm, 3.5 inches, a second cut is required, just push the switch again. When you are using the electric can opener will not make a harsh noise, so don't worry about the noise being too loud. The sound from an electric can opener is within the normal acceptable range, making your cooking time even better. And please don't worry about the sharp edges of the can after using the electric can opener. Our blade is very strong and smooth. The blade of the electric can opener will fit perfectly with the can. The lid of the can is smooth after use, so you don't have to worry about cutting your fingers. Our electric can openers use higher quality, more environmentally friendly plastics, giving you more peace of mind when using your electric can opener. The electric can opener is exquisite and compact in shape, easy to operate, and also suitable for the elderly. Children need adult supervision during operation. If you are around someone with arthritis or hand pain, you can give them an automatic can opener as a gift. With an electric can opener, they no longer have to worry about no one helping them open their cans. An electric can opener will make their lives easier. Please check the video description for more information. Thank you for watching this video.